Good morning vlog. It's not morning at all. I slept in today for the longest I think I've ever slept in. It was much needed because yesterday was a very long day. I think I started my day at like 6 or 7:30 and I went all day long, and work was really stressful yesterday, and then I stayed up all night because I was celebrating New Year's Eve, so I slept until like 11 today. Much needed. But I'm starting the vlog here because I'm getting ready to do something really exciting, and that is launch my Society 6. I've been working on this for the last like week and a half, trying to get designs and stuff like that, and I have about 8 designs right now, things that I've worked on in school, things that I've been working on over the last week, and I'm really excited but really nervous to launch it. You can hear my cat, he's crying in the background, that's my life. But I'm gonna be posting that now to my YouTube, or not to my YouTube, well I guess I could post it to my YouTube, to my Instagram, to my Facebook, and that's probably the only places I'll post it, that's where I'm the most active. But I'm really excited and nervous to do this because it's something like I really want to start selling art this year, and Society 6 is the first place that I'm gonna hopefully start doing it full time. So I'm super excited and super nervous for this. Starting now too, but I just posted it and I'm feeling super excited. I'm gonna post on my Instagram now too and see kind of what you guys think, because this is mostly just my family and people that know me in real life. So I'm excited. I'm feeling so anxious though. This is so vulnerable. I'm taking a nap since the last time we spoke, and I just changed my shirt and took a shower. I'm gonna put my hair up because we're gonna go out for in a second. But first, we're going to take down our Christmas decorations finally. Jacob said we couldn't take it down until after the new year. It's January 1st and we're taking this stuff down. Jacob's back there working on his printer. I brushed my hair because I noticed in that clip my hair was messy. I'm trying not to do heat on it, and I did heat on it last night for that party that we went to. So that's why it's up right now, and I just don't feel like putting on makeup yesterday. I did a lot of makeup and then I slept in it, and so I don't wanna do makeup right now. But I wanted to show you the new case and the screen protector I got from my iPad, because like I said, I'm trying to do more artsy stuff, and I have been told by my artsy friends that getting a matte screen protector for my iPad is really good for drawing, so I'm gonna show you that really quick. So this right here is the case I got for it, and it actually holds my Apple Pencil. And then I don't know if you guys can see how matte this is, but I got like a 3-pack of these for like, I don't know, like $8. I already messed up one while trying to put it on, so I had to have Jacob do it for me, but I really like the way that it makes it feel so far. I've already created some things on it, and it is pretty nice. A pretty inexpensive thing to kind of help, so I'm super excited about having those. Now I'm just waiting on Jacob to finish whatever he's doing back there, because we're gonna go to Denny's tonight. It's gonna be part of our date night that I'm gonna try to do every week, which I'm hoping we can do that. But I'm gonna do that because one of my customers gave me like a bunch of like coupons for Denny's for like $5 and 20% off. So I thought, we haven't had Denny's in a while, not the best, but I got some coupons, so we're gonna go do that whenever he gets around to finishing leveling his bed or whatever he's doing on his 3D printer. Whoop whoop, gonna get food, I'm so hungry. Somebody took forever to do his 3D printer, but I'm stoked about eating. We are back from our little Denny's date, and it's about 10 o'clock right now, and I'm going to do some doodling, just some creating. I've already created a little bit today, but I'm just feeling in the mood to doodle some stuff, so I'm gonna get some stuff done, and then I'm probably gonna go lay down and watch some YouTube videos, because I finished season 2 of You today, and holy crap guys, so good. If you guys haven't watched that, I highly suggest checking it out. Really good show. So that's probably what my plans are gonna be for the evening, so we'll see where it goes. Guys, it's about 11 o'clock now, and I am getting ready to go get ready for bed and lay down because I have to get up and work tomorrow. So I know this vlog was short, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe and leave me a comment below letting me know what you thought of the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.